You built a SaaS product. Users are signing up. That's the good news. The bad news? You're spending 4 hours a day answering the same 5 support questions. Password resets. Billing confusion. How do I connect the API? Over and over and over. That's not a support problem. That's a founder tax. And it's quietly killing your momentum. What if an AI agent, running entirely on your own machine, with 0 cloud costs and 0 privacy risk, handled 85% of that for you, automatically? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. Stay with me. This is 3 minutes that could give you your mornings back. Here's what the data actually shows. Over 60% of SaaS support tickets fall into just 5 categories: password resets, billing questions, basic how-tos, setup issues, and feature availability. These tickets are completely predictable, and yet most founders, or their first hire, are manually typing responses to every single one. Now, your first instinct might be, just use ChatGPT. But here's the problem with cloud AI for customer support. Your tickets contain real user data, email addresses, account IDs, sometimes passwords in plain text. Sending all of that to a third-party API is a privacy risk you don't want. The solution is a local AI agent. Runs on your server, costs nothing per ticket, and your user's data never goes anywhere. So what does this agent actually do? Think of it as a 4-step pipeline. Step 1, a ticket comes in. Could be from Intercom, Zendesk, your own inbox, doesn't matter. Step 2, the AI reads the ticket and classifies it in under 5 seconds. Is this billing? A technical issue? A basic account question? The agent decides. Step 3, for routine tickets, it pulls from your existing help docs and past resolved tickets to draft a response. The draft is accurate because it's grounded in your actual knowledge base, not hallucinated. Step 4, anything above a certain complexity or with low confidence gets flagged for human review. Your team only touches the 15% of tickets that actually need them. The result? One founder we worked with went from 4 hours of daily support to 40 minutes of reviewing edge cases. Same inbox volume, same quality responses, dramatically less time. And because the whole thing runs locally, on a Mac, a Linux server, or a small VPN, your cost per ticket is essentially 0. No API bill that scales with your user growth. If you're a SaaS founder spending more than an hour a day on support, this is the highest leverage thing you can build right now. Before you hire, before you burn out.
At Apptunix, we don't just talk about AI, we build production-ready AI systems like this for fast-growing SaaS teams. From local AI agents to full-scale automation workflows, we help founders save time, cut costs, and scale smarter. If you want a custom AI support system built for your product, book a free consultation with our team. We'll break down exactly how this would work for your SaaS, no fluff. Links in the description. And if this was useful, hit subscribe for more real-world AI systems that actually move the needle for startups.